In the name of Allah who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum class 5. I'm your teacher of social studies and I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. Today we are going to do the exercise question answer which are related to physical and mountainous region on textbook page number 1, 2 and 3, which had already discussed by us in our previous lecture. Okay students, let's try to attempt the exercise questions. As you can see here, unit number 1, physical regions, and the map of Pakistan here, and its first chapter, that is classification of regions in Pakistan. And students, you can do it on your notebooks also for practice. Let's start exercise question answer. And the first question is, how many physical regions are there in Pakistan? Name them. यानी पाकिस्तान में इलाकों की या खितों की तकसीम कितने हिस्सों में की गई है, उनके नाम लिखें. Yes, you can see here, Pakistan can be divided into 5 main physical regions. Number 1 is mountainous region and number 2 is plateau region. As you know, the mountainous region of Pakistan includes parts of Himalaya, the Karakoram range and the Hindu Kush. And normally the mountainous region has very cold winters because of high altitude. क्योंकि ये बुलंदी के ऊपर वाक़ होते हैं, that's why ये बहुत यहाँ पे ठंड होती है. और normally there is snowfall too, और यहाँ पे अक्सर snowfalling भी होती रहती है. And next one is plateau region. As you know, the definition of plateau, a plateau is high land rising above the land surrounding it. यानी कदरे और उभरे हुए हिस्से को हम सतह मुर्तफ़ा कहते हैं. यानी ये पहाड़ों से ऊंचा बट आम मैदानी इलाके से या ज़मीन से कदरे उठा हुआ हिस्सा होता है. As you can see the pictures of mountainous region and plateau region here, and you can see the difference between mountainous region and plateau region. As you can see, the mountainous region is very high and consists of very famous and high peaks, and plateau region is high land rising above its land, यानी ये पहाड़ से कम ऊंचा है बट ज़मीन से कदरे उठा हुआ हिस्सा है. And the next one is desert region and plain region. What's the meaning of desert region? Desert region is consist of sandy area and plain region is large flat area of land. As you can see the difference between desert region and plain region. As you can see, the desert region is consist of sandy area and this is the plain area, यानी मैदानी इलाका. And next one, you can see the coastal region, यानी साहिली इलाका. How can you define the coastal region? The land. In other words, you can say the area where land meets the sea or ocean. It's called the coastal area or coastal region. Its other names are coastal line and seashore. As you can see the picture of coastal area, the coastal area of Pakistan are in Sindh and Balochistan. They are on the shore of Arabian Sea. यानी सूबा सिंध और बलूचिस्तान के साथ बहीरा अरब वाक़ है और बहीरा अरब के साहिल के साथ साथ मैदानी इलाका वाक़ है, उसे हम कहते हैं साहिली इलाका. और आपकी फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए कराची बिन कासम एंड गवादर पाकिस्तान की अहम बंदरगाहें हैं जो इसी खिते में यानी साहिली इलाके में वाक़ हैं। एंड द टेम्परेचर ऑफ कोस्टल एरियाज़ आर वेरी मॉडरेट, यानी यहाँ का जो टेम्परेचर है वो मॉडरेट रहता है, नॉर्मली मोतदिल रहता है, ना बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है इस रीजन में और ना बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी होती है। एंड फिशिंग इज़ एन इम्पोर्टेंट इंडस्ट्री इन दिस एरिया, यानी इन लोगों का जो मशहूर पेशा है वो है माहीगीरी या मछलियाँ पकड़ना। एंड this is the little detail about the physical regions of Pakistan. Now students, if you have any query in your mind about this topic, feel free to contact me in comment box. Thank you so much for listening me. Allah Hafiz.